Hi everyone, and welcome to a really quick mini guide on how to apply a stain to the eyebrows. Your key thing here is to appropriately prepare the skin and the hair for a thorough and long-lasting skin grab. You want to be ensuring that you've removed any dead skin cells, and you can do this using either a spoolie or the cleanse brush and our polish from the Brow Care range. Next, you want to remove any reminiscence of this product using PURIFY, and you can buff this into the skin using our lovely cleansing brush. Your key product here is Detox, and this is going to completely detoxify and prepare the area. It will break down any fatty acids or anything that is going to cause a barrier between the skin and the stain. Now, you do want to create yourself a really clear guideline as to where you are going to be applying your dye. Lots of artists do also use a mapping paste or the Bare Necessities palette to create a barrier around your guideline to prevent the dye or stain from seeping outside of that shape. But if you are a confident artist and you are well educated and confident in applying your stain to the skin, you shouldn't need to create yourself a guideline with paste or the Bare Necessities palette.
Yeah.
Now, most stains or dyes do have an affinity to oxygen, which does mean that the product needs to be able to interact with oxygen in order to develop appropriately, which is why I would encourage you to use a watercolour technique and apply very, very thin layers to the area. You may want to apply between 3 and 4 areas. You may want to apply between 3 and 4 layers overall, but you do need to alternate between each brow to allow each layer to dry out before applying the next one. If you need reference to timings, please do go to our website. But to remove the product, I really like to use the Restore mask, and this is going to break down any reminiscence of dye so that you can remove it from the skin. But it's also a really lovely protein infused mask, so it's going to beautifully treat those eyebrow hairs. Now, if you want that perfect Instagrammable finish, do use the Bare Necessities Concealer Palette and our new brush from the Divine Collection to carve along the edge of your stain for that really gorgeous, perfect sculpted finish.